Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jo and I help creators and designers with freelancing, passive income and tech. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can add an announcement bar on Squarespace. I'll be doing this in Squarespace 7.0 and also 7.1. I've also got a really nifty little bit of code that will stop users from being able to close the announcement bar so that your message is front and center and always showing. Before we get into it, I have a sweet discount code for you. So if you want to get 10% off your first subscription with Squarespace, you can use the code PARTNER10 and I'll be putting all the links that you'll need in the comment section of the video below. Hey guys, in this quick 5-minute tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the announcement bar on Squarespace and how you can customize and edit yourself. So the announcement bar is a bar that is at the top of your Squarespace website, and you can use it for short but sweet little bits of information to communicate to your users things that are going on or places that you want to direct them to or promotions or anything like that. So how you find your announcement bar settings is you come into the back end of your website. Let me just go back to the main navigation. So you'll see there is a marketing tab. You click on that and you'll see under engagement there's promotional pop-up and announcement bar. If you click on announcement bar, you'll see that there are all the settings here for it, and you can see that everything that I've written in here is matching my announcement bar at the top here. You're also able to add a link. So I usually, you can either highlight a word, say for example Canva, and you can add a link in here. That's just the normal way through Squarespace. So you can link it to pages, email, phone. Honestly, the options are endless there. Or you can just link the entire thing, which I've got it at the moment. I've set it to a blog post. So you can also enable the announcement bar or you can disable it. You'll see by disabling it, it goes away. So most likely if you haven't set it up, this is what your settings are going to look like. So you're going to want to enable the announcement bar, fill out any of the details that you want and link it to where you'd like to go. I do also recommend that you try and keep the announcement bar sort of short but sweet because it's just really a quick little announcement. Okay, so let's go back and let's get into the design features of the announcement bar. So I'm in Squarespace 7.0 at the moment. So if I click on design and site styles, I usually click on the element and you can see that I can change the bar background color and the text and also the font. So I can change it to any color I like. Let's change it to a pink or purple. So you can see that it's pretty easy to customize, and then I would just save. So that's basically the announcement bar on 7.0. I'm going to be popping into Squarespace 7.1 to show you the announcement bar in there. For Squarespace 7.1, the announcement bar settings are almost the same, so I'll take you through them now. So you're going to select Marketing, Announcement Bar, enable the announcement bar. You're going to pop in whatever text it is that you have. Remember, you can bold, italicize, underline, you can link parts of the text, or you can link the entire announcement bar by selecting a link in here. Once you've done that, you click Save. Now, these are the settings are a little bit different in 7.1. So to change the colors, you're going to come to Design, Colors, and Section Themes. Now, when you come into section themes, you'll see that the announcement bar is under the white minimal on this template. So I'm going to need to edit that under the white minimal section here. So I'm going to click on that pencil icon and I'm going to scroll down until I found the announcement bar. And you'll see that I can change that to any of the themes that are already loaded, or I can select a custom color there. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to come back out and I'm going to change the font. So to do that, I'm going to come to Fonts and come down to Assign Styles, and you'll see that the announcement bar text is under Paragraphs. So I'm going to select that, and you can do Paragraphs or you can do Custom. So I usually actually think that the announcement bar should be in a custom font. It should be something a little bit different than what you've got, because obviously it needs to pop out and stand out from the rest of your site. And then once I've changed those settings in there, I'm going to save that. And I've customized my announcement bar in Squarespace 7.1. You'll notice on the announcement bar that people can actually close your announcement bar. So there is a way to make sure that you can keep the announcement bar there forever, I guess. And Squarespace has a custom CSS code that I've got for you. So you're going to need to come into Design and Custom CSS, and I'll just make some room and paste the code there. And you'll see that the Xbox just disappears. And that means that that announcement bar is going to stay there forever and no one can close it. So I like to do that because I like to make sure that it stays nice and clean and that the announcement is always available to users. If you enjoyed my content today, please like the video, make sure you subscribe, even leave a comment below to let me know that you are loving this content so I can create more for you.